So because this is what was for the single school Azania, now let's edit in order to loop through each school to fetch the region. So the base region is the same, the base URL, sorry, but we have to store the data in this. The data that we will fetch will be stored into this. The extracted data will be stored into this empty list called the data. So also we are going to loop over the first 10 schools, because if we allow it to loop through each school, then there will be consuming of time consuming to wait, time consuming and resources to wait for it to run through 852 schools. So we just try our code for the 10 school and see if it works. So we are going to loop over the first 10 schools in the data frame. How? Follow me this way. So registration number. Now the registration number will be inside the loop. So for each index, comma, row in the df dot the first, we use the first 10. Let's try the first 10 schools, or even 5, even 6 schools. Let's try even 6 schools. Dot we iterate over rows and getting the index and also the value of the row, this function, and then registration number will be inside. So now the registration number will be taken as the school reg number. The row will have the school reg number. So row the school reg number. So this is edited and edited. The reg number. And also get the school name. Get the school name. The school name also from the row school center name. School center name. So if the edge number is missing, then skip. So add this code here. Add this code here to help you if there is a missing even though in our code we are sure that every number, every registration number is for every school is present, but this is good. Reg or string of registration number strip to remove the spaces. So if this is empty, then skip, also. So the full URL will be the same as for Azania, but we strip to remove the white space, the spaces before and after the number. And also let's create a response to the website. So our response will be request.full URL, same as this one. So let me copy it and try to here. This will send HTTP request to the URL. Also pass the HTML content. Then get all table elements from the page by using find all. And after that, extract the region from the fifth table in the first table and the second table row, the first table data, no, the second table data. Okay, and then strip it to get the exact name of the region. After that, append the data, store the values into the data list, the empty list we created here above, this one. So append the values in this format. So we add all the collected data to the list. So it will be like this. We will be having columns with registration number, reg number, and then we'll be having a school name, the school name will be school name. Also the last one will be region, which is our interest column. Region, let's call it region. And then so create a data frame called region df is equal to pd dot data frame using data input. We convert the list into the data frame, and also display the region. Because we iterated over 6 rows, then we don't have a fear for it to consume time fetching the region. So just display by just writing region df, the region df. So if you run, see, let's try to see, there is an error. Yes, so there is a key error in this school center name. Yes, school center name, I think it is right here. Let's fix it. Okay, string no is found another error. I think is this one here. String no is not defined, so it could be reg, Let's try another error. So if we fix the string, then we will get, then it is triple instead of this way. So if we run this one, we expect to fetch the correctly. Yes, no, yes, as you can see, we have fetched this registration number, the school name, and the region, and we are sure about, for example, Tanzania is found in Dar es Salaam, as we saw it in the earlier example, and other example. So the next thing here, let's try some. Let's try to check for 10 schools. How will it be? 10 schools. It is running. Yes, 10 schools. Yes, Dar es Salaam. Just the thing. Yes. Okay. So Will was found in Mwanza Technical. So we want to just remain with Dar es Salaam. You can decide even to fetch the first Saturday just to see, and then we will fetch throughout the DF, and feed. So Saturday schools take some time. It takes some time. Oh, great. So there is no repeating Dar es Salaam. It is Pugu 111. The 11 school is Pugu from Dar es Salaam. So let's now edit this code in order to fetch for only Dar es Salaam. How do we do that? Let's proceed. So I'll start with editing the region. Okay, let's move to the next cell so you can edit it very well. Edit this code. Come to the region. The region here, make sure that the region is upper, and also store it. First we need to write the code here. It's not every region. Now we say if, yes, we need to be specific. Now it's not every region, so we say if only the region is Dar es Salaam, if only the region is equal to Dar es Salaam. That's why we made this region upper, because here we are using a condition that need it to be in the uppercase. So we write Dar es Salaam, yes, Dar es Salaam. Then we close it. Then if that is true, then it should append. This should be its code to be implemented this way. Then data and dot append. Yes. The rest is the same. So now we are trying for the first 30 school to see. We remember that we had Pugu, which was 11th school, and which was the 12th school, and the first school Tanzania were in Dar es Salaam. So expecting within this 30 school to see them, and also Zanaki right here. So let's go. Let's go. See. for the first start. Yes, this first 3 Azania, Pugu, and Zanaki. This is for the first 30 school. The data frame has 8052 data, so we need to be specific here to fetch every private resitting center in DA. So let's go to fetch for the whole 8052 schools. So we will edit this code again. Let's try to write DA. Our data frame is DA private, yes, centers. DA private centers DF. It will be that way, and this will take all values. So now here we just delete this head, remain with DF only, so that it will loop through each of the 8052 schools. So after that, let's run this and wait a little bit. All right, yes, it has taken 17 to 35, so 13 plus 5, 18 minutes. 18 minutes to fetch. So we are having 75 schools in this region, Dar es Salaam, and I'm also present in this Dar es Salaam region as I do this question. So we are having Azania, Pugu, Zanaki, Jen Rose, Jen Rons, Kibasira, and so on. These are DA private centers DF. So let me try to do this. So to echo if this is a private school, then we have to replace the SC with P in the first column if I registration number. So after that you will be having this way. So the intention is to get so this was the intention, to find how many private resitting centers were registered from Dar es Salaam. So to DF and the length for, so the issue is to find here how many private resitting centers were registered from Dar es Salaam. So if we do the length of the DA private centers, you see 75. So yeah, 75 private resitting centers were registered from Dar es Salaam. Thank you.